What is up, guys? So today I want to show you my brand new 2021 Guerrilla Gravity GNARVANA. No longer riding the intense tracer, upgraded to the new geometry, low, slack, long. Gotta tell you, I really love it. But first, I need a beer. Since we're on the Colorado theme, how about a Colorado beer? Colorado Native IPA. That should work. But I need a beer koozie. Decisions. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Tasty. So here she is, my 2021 Guerrilla Gravity GNARVANA. We've got the size 3 frame, which is basically a large, and this is the revved carbon front triangle built here in Denver, Colorado. It's got a aluminum rear triangle, and like I said, made in Denver, Colorado. Gotta love that. Very awesome. On the rear, I got the push 11.6 with a dual overhead compression valve, which basically means that's my downhill mode, that's my climbing mode, and it makes quite a difference. And if you notice, the whole shock body pivots. It's on spherical bearings, which helps with binding. And this is made also in Colorado, I believe Loveland, Colorado. So that's awesome. On the front, I'm running the Fox 38. It's pretty burly. It's got all the knobs you'd expect it to have. High speed, low speed compression, all those things. Got the floating axle, which supposedly helps quite a bit. The lower legs have this bypass channel right here. You can kind of see it. That helps fluid move up and down through the fork and lubricate everything in here. And here, it's got these pressure relief valves. Your fork can build up pressure while you're riding. You let that pressure out and the fork functions better. And of course, it's got the grip 2 damper. For wheels, I'm running the Industry 9 305s. Aluminum wheels, not carbon. Got the Industry 9 hubs, straight pull spokes. And of course, you know what's next. Beautiful sound of the Industry 9 Hydro Hub. Made it to those Industry 9 wheels. On the front, I'm running a Maxxis Minion DHF. DHF is still my favorite tread. You can't go wrong with a DHF. On the back, I'm running the Aggressor, also Maxxis. The tread on the Aggressor is fine, works for a rear tire. I went a little bit cheap on the drivetrain. It's the SRAM NX. It's been okay, it's been decent. Definitely will be an upgrade next season. It is an Eagle. For chain retention, I stole the STFU off of my Intense Tracer. I really do like this thing. It does work well. And for bash guard, I went with the MRP AMG. Does the job well. I've used it a few times, trust me. I went with the basic guide brakes because this winter I will be upgrading to the Hope brakes, same as my downhill bike. That way I can run same pads, same fluid, same bleed kit, bars or race face turbines. For grips, I found these race face lock-ons that actually feel really good in the hand. I like them a lot. Stem is an Industry 9 A3. And I stole my custom cap off my Tracer, RDH DC. DC stands for don't climb or don't care, depends what mood I'm in. Dropper seat post is an SDG Tellus. I gotta be honest with you, I haven't had any problems with it at all. It's been pretty dependable. Saddle is also SDG, but it's Guerrilla Gravity branded. It's pretty cool. And it's actually pretty comfortable, I gotta say. It's got a fair amount of padding. I was really surprised. I like it. For pedals, I'm running these clipless composite cage Shimano's. They do the job. And you guys know I like that play there. So one cool thing about Guerrilla Gravity bikes is they have this plate. If you look closely, you'll see it's held on by 3 bolts. Pull that off, and you have access to your shifter, dropper seat post, and your front brake. Much easier access, and still basically internally routed. Another cool thing about Guerrilla Gravity bikes here you've got the option, if you just turn this 180 degrees, you can actually pull your stem back 10 millimeters. I like it where it is, but if I felt like the bike was a little too long, flip that around, instantly brings your reach back 10 millimeters. Well, there you guys go. Another bike check. My 2021 Guerrilla Gravity GNARVANA, and I love it. This bike is awesome, it's amazing. These guys are doing great work here in Denver, Colorado. Go check them out. Such a good bike. And I hope you like this bike check. So there might be one more coming, maybe one more coming. And don't forget, Christmas is almost upon us. Here's to seeing you on the hill. Thanks, guys.